Welcome to Comprehensive Dermatology of Idaho, where we are always striving to provide the best dermatological care possible. Whether you need treatment for skin cancer, acne, moles, psoriasis, eczema, rashes, wrinkles, or another skin condition, we provide a full range of dermatological services and are here to help you find an effective treatment plan. All our professionals at Comprehensive Dermatology of Idaho maintain the highest levels of accreditation and pursue ongoing continuing medical education to stay abreast of the latest advances in the medical field. Our staff is dedicated to your comfort and prompt attention. Dr. Owsley attended Westminster College of Salt Lake City and then went on to pharmacy school at the University of Utah. After graduating, he attended medical school in Chicago at the Chicago Medical School. His internship was completed at Northwestern University and his residency at the University of Iowa Hospital and Clinics. He is board certified by the American Board of Dermatology. He is a fellow of both the American Academy of Dermatology and the American Society of Dermatological Surgery. Come meet one of our medical professionals. Call us today to schedule an appointment. Discover healthy, radiant skin at Comprehensive Dermatology of Idaho today.